What's up, everybody? We have a familiar face in our studio today. If you don't know who this is Jason from MBRP, and he has some awesome products for our S650. And what are they?
Thanks so much for having me back. I appreciate it. Love doing videos with you guys. Today we have the 18 to 24 Mustang tip covers. That's right, tip covers. These are industry first as far as I know. It's a stainless steel tip with a black powder coat on it. It goes over your factory 18 to 24 chrome tips. There's really nothing chrome on these cars. Black wheels are all the thing. Chrome just doesn't work too well in the new Mustangs. For those people that want to go with maybe just a different look without changing the entire exhaust, that's why we have these.
This is going to be perfect because if you have an active exhaust from the factory, they sound amazing already, especially with an X-pipe in place of that resonator. So now you can get that really nice look out of your exhaust without having to spend a ton of money either.
Yeah, exactly. It does involve a little bit of drilling. We'll show how to do this in the video. We even include a drill guide to make it as simple as possible. This install should be really easy to do and look great in the end.
Let's get after it.
Absolutely. As I mentioned earlier, you do have to drill one hole on each of your exhaust tips to make this work. Thankfully, MBRP includes a handy little drill guide. To install this, you can use your drain hole. It's already mounted in your tip. Use the included hardware to lock it in. With the drill guide in place, take a Sharpie, mark your other drill hole. We can remove the plate and copy this over for all 4 tips. Using a 5.5 millimeter or 7/32 drill bit, drill the marked holes on each tip. With our holes drilled, check the instructions to make sure you're using the correct side tip covers and slide them into place. Using the included hardware, put the bolt from the inside of the tip down. Then use the washer and nut that's included. Then you can go ahead and repeat the process for the rest of your tips.
One really cool thing about these tip covers is the fact that they're adjustable, so you can put it to any point that you like. I'm gonna stick mine out just a little bit from the factory tip, so that way we can see that MBRP logo, and it's covering the tip all the way around. Once you have it in place, start tightening everything down. Well, we got one side on already and they are already starting to look killer. We just gotta do one more side, so let's get after it.
Let's do it.
Well, we're all wrapped up the install. That took us how long, Jason?
Not even 30 minutes, and really, for the price point these are, if you combine this with an MBRP X-pipe, you can turn your active exhaust into the perfect exhaust. It'll look great, sound great, and be super affordable.
Yeah, and you can purchase both of those products on our website, cjponyparts.com. But it is time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.